Hi, I'm so excited to be here and announce my group coaching program. This is a 3-month group coaching program for creatives, and I'm looking to work with surface pattern designers, illustrators, and artists who have a body of work and who are currently monetizing it or putting it out into the world, or you are ready to go ahead and do so. And what we're going to do in our 3 months is a lot of exciting things. I want to take my one-on-one coaching and bring it into a group dynamic. And it's going to be a small group, intimate group, where it feels more like an art class. And we're going to have critiques, we're going to have short presentations, lessons, and trainings. We're also going to work together quite a bit. We're going to help one another problem solve, brainstorm. We're going to work in small teams and help one another with your work and achieve your goals together. I also want to give you a lot of guidance, resources, inspiration, all the things I usually do with my coaching clients, and give you some training. And if you need development in your art, if you need help with marketing, branding, things like that, we'll also cover that too. But I want to really tailor each group to what they overall need. So every group will be different, and you are going to really hone in on those specific things that you really need help with the most. So it's going to be really fun. It's going to be very collaborative. We're going to meet bi-weekly, and we're going to also talk offline too. So there'll be opportunities to talk in between when we're not meeting, and you will have a one-on-one call with me to start. So we will be connecting in that way, and I'll be able to talk to you about expectations and everything that you'd like to work on, your challenges and everything that you would like to be working on when you're in the group. So we'll touch base in the beginning, and then we'll group up for the next 3 months. And I really invite you to apply. I think this is going to be a really fun and enriching experience, and it will be really impactful for you, and it will give you the clarity and the confidence that you need to move forward. And you're going to have a strategy and a plan, and really just know where you're going in the future with your business and your art.